Hello everyone, this is Aishwarya Nair, the founder of the FarmD community. If you want to gain knowledge and want to have an overall educational development, then you are at the right place. You can click on the bell icon below to subscribe to the YouTube channel of FarmD community so that you do not miss upon any of our webinars. So today I'm here with two surprises for all our viewers. Before the announcement, I would like to answer a question put forth by most of our viewers. What exactly is FarmD community? FarmD community is a platform especially for the Doctor of Pharmacy and medical students or professionals. Amid coronavirus crisis, I came up with an idea of providing medical education free of cost. This initiative was wholeheartedly supported by Kuldeep Kaur, Pooja Shetty and Vaishnavi Marathe, who are also the core committee members of the FarmD community. FarmD community aims to provide free webinars by eminent and highly qualified doctors and family doctors. Our motto is to teach a man how to fish rather than giving him a fish. We aim that all students should be sufficient, independent and should excel in the clinical postings during their FarmD course itself. FarmD community arranges webinars free of cost or at a negligible cost. Apart from this, the socio-educational cause, we also spread awareness about Doctor of Pharmacy as a profession amongst the general public and the healthcare professionals. We do highlight the importance and requirements of a clinical pharmacist in all hospitals all over the country. The wait for the surprise is over. The first surprise is that it gives me immense pleasure to announce that the FarmD community socio-educational cause, that is our free webinars, has been featured on Atmanirbhar Bharat My Government site. We are also happy to launch our website, that is www.farmdcommunity.org, through our YouTube channel today.
I'd like to thank on behalf of FarmD community to all the speakers who accepted our invitation and took out their valuable time for FarmD community. We are grateful to gain immense knowledge from all the speakers. This will be helpful for us and our participants in their clinical practice. I'd also like to thank all the speakers for their kind words of appreciation. I'd also like to thank the participants of FarmD community from across the country and abroad for this overwhelming response since our very first webinar. Your feedbacks are really helpful for us. Thank you for your kind words of appreciation and support. Thank you.
Throughout our journey, our platform has been graced by eminent national and international speakers. They have guided us, motivated us, and supported us through this journey. Some speakers did not know much about FarmD and were excited to interact with the upcoming clinical pharmacist. All the speakers were impressed with the level of questions asked during each session and praised FarmD education. One of our speakers believes that a combination of clinical pharmacist and a clinician can break all barriers and improve community medicine. We want to thank all our previous and upcoming speakers for being a part of FarmD community, for guiding us and supporting us in this socio-educational cause.
I take this golden opportunity to announce that our initiative of organizing free webinars and webinars at low cost have been featured on Atmanirbhar Bharat website. It gives me pleasure to announce that out of the 12 lakh applicants, FarmD community was among the lucky 220 applicants to get featured and published on this official website of our Indian government. Hereby, I would like to thank our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and all the government officials who have supported us in this socio-educational cause. I would like to thank all our speakers who were there with us in this journey. Also, last but not the least, I would like to thank all the participants who were there with us and supported us during this journey for a socio-educational cause. Lastly, I would like to thank all the participants, members, government officials who were there with us directly and indirectly and has helped FarmD community to achieve this success. Thank you.
Today, I'm going to give you all a quick tour of the FarmD community website. You can find our website on Google by typing FarmD community, all in small letters without any space. It does appear on the first page of the Google search. You can also visit the website by typing www.foundicommunity.org. Once you click on it, this is how the homepage looks like. To know more about the Foundie community, our vision and mission, kindly visit the About Us, Vision and Mission section on our website. We do have a very unique and a highly educational page on our website. It's the Pearls of Pharmacy page. This is the page where we update the recent FDA approvals, the FDA withdrawals, updates or changes in the treatment guidelines, etc. This is a must-visit section for all the students to keep themselves updated. We do concise the information that is provided as the updates, and we also do provide the source link so that if anybody is interested, they can click on the source link and they can access the complete article. The source link is visible at the end of each article. Our mentors do write up messages every month, especially for the participants. This can be viewed on the Message from Foundie Community Mentors page. We also do have a resources page where you will find the links for renowned and trusted clinical education websites. So that's it for today. To receive recent updates about the Foundie community, you can join the Foundie Community official Telegram group. The link for the same is provided below in the description of the video. Also, you can subscribe to the Foundie Community YouTube channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon. By doing so, you will receive a notification as soon as we are live with a free webinar. You can also follow us on other social media handles like the Facebook and the Instagram. The links for both are provided in the description. Apart from this, if you like a socio-educational initiative, give us a big fat thumbs up. You can also share our free webinars along with your colleagues, friends and classmates so that even they can benefit out of the same. Also, do comment your suggestions and topics for future webinars in the comment section. Learning is a lifelong process. Knowledge only increases by sharing it with others. So, this is Aishwarya Nair signing off on behalf of the Foundie community. Hoping to see you all soon for our next free webinar. Thank you.